Kim Kardashian revealed her terrifying time after her son Saint was rushed to the hospital. The reality TV star praised her little boy as brave, revealing that he was hooked up to an oxygen machine during the scary incident. The update came via her social media, and she added that after spending 3 nights in the hospital and seeing her baby boy get multiple IVs and hooked to oxygen machines, their end of year was challenging. She went on to call pneumonia scary, and she went on to thank all the nurses and doctors out there who worked so hard around the clock. She is grateful and finally at home doing better. Luckily, Kim was even able to see the bright side and mentioned that he will probably say the ambulance ride was cool. What's up, you bunch of keyboard warriors? If you like what we do, and you should, be sure to like and subscribe. It keeps us from having to turn tricks on Hollywood Boulevard.